This is the BigFudge record cleaning roller. Just kind of wanted to show you how this thing's going to work. Works really well. I've been real happy with it. You can see on the record, it's got some specks of dust. Some there, others all around. I keep my records pretty clean, but they still get dust on them. So the way this works is you literally, I like to start the inside, let it roll. It is fairly tacky, so it will slow down the turntable. But it's like, got this sticky, doesn't leave a residue. It's really amazing. Okay, let's see what we got. But as you can see, not a speck of dust on that record anymore. None, not a zilch. I thought that was a scratch on the record, but that's just a reflection. But yeah, there you go. And as you can see, all the dust is stuck on the roller.